I've been a raw vegan for over 13 years now, and one of the reasons why I love this raw vegan lifestyle so much is because I get to eat an abundance of raw fruits and vegetables that are rich in vitamins and minerals and so many nutrients. Raw fruits and vegetables are also very high in living enzymes, which help you to digest your food more. They also help you to absorb the nutrients in your food better. While I truly believe that this is an optimal way to eat and to live, it's not possible for everybody, and it can be very challenging, which is why I recommend that if possible, people get enzymes with a brand or a company that they truly believe in to take so that they can still get these enzymes into their system, so they can still gain the nutritional benefit of having these plant-based foods in your system. If you have a hard time getting in your enzymes, I highly recommend Sunwarrior's new plant-based digestive enzymes. And I'm so excited that they have just come out with this because now there is a very simple and quick way to be able to get in your enzymes to help your digestion so that you can feel better after every single meal. It's called Enzorb. Go check it out.